stranger's dog ran up to play. Okay, so Petey went along that way. A sudden bite, a shock, then laughter all around. Hey people, really, what's wrong with you? Just dumb. Crowds of tourists, no thanks. We'll find our way, no selfie ranks. Through quiet streets we take a glance, escaping past the tourist trance. Between bite and tree, between laughter and curse, some days on the road it just gets worse. And even when plans go up in smoke, hey, we're used to it. Our rules are a joke. The view was stunning, so drone, take flight and start your running. She dives down deep, but then greener, nothing again. Where is she? In a pine tree. There's not a single one to see, but the signal shows stuck mid-air. Oh great, really? That's so unfair. Blinking, beeping, batteries low, I give up. But Mitchie still searches, won't give it up. Then two Spaniards yell, "Drona key!" There she is, high in a tree. But how do we get her free? Between bite and tree, between laughter and curse, some days on the road it just gets worse. And even when plans go up in smoke, hey, we're used to it. Our rules are a joke.
With broom and garden hose, a 50-50 chance.
The broom flies up, my heart pounds fast. Drone is wrecked, no more dance.
Did Mitchie at least see the view up high? Nope. But one thing's clear, for Christmas he'll get a drone this year.
Sometimes things just go all wrong, but damn, it makes
A killer